Quick lang.
Ano yun? Ayan na!
Firstly, I would like to thank each and every one of you that's here today. You guys you touch our hearts really. Everyone here in the Viva family, we are so grateful for each and every one of you. We know that you guys, some of you traveled a long distance to get here today. We know and we really appreciate that. And for all the fan projects that you guys do for us, thank you so much. Your unwavering support is really, truly cherished to us. And secondly, to our Viva family, Boss Vic and the Del Rosario family, Boss Vincent, Boss Val, Boss Veronique, and Tita June, maraming salamat. Because if it wasn't for you guys, we would not be here on this stage today. Right, Ash?
Tama. At saka sobrang na-appreciate namin na kahit sino yung tumututong dito sa stage, nag-cheer talaga kayo. Kaya maraming salamat po.